Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this low-rise condo building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create this 3-bedroom apartment, and now we're going to continue on this. This is basically the same as the unit in the middle, but with different because it doesn't have storage. So now I'm planning to just copy this. So copy and then paste to selected view. So this will be for the level 5. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete this. Okay, so we deleted that. And then here we're gonna extend this. So actually we're just gonna move it for now, as this is a wall base component. So what we could do is we could just use CS and add in a new one like that. And then this one is just simple, and we're just gonna drag it like that. Move. And we could delete this. I'm gonna move this back here, and then here we are moving this as well. And then now we can move the bed. And then let's go back to level 2, and we're gonna copy this. So now we could just add a door over this side, and I'm just double checking that we have everything. And before we mirror this on this side and this side, we need to add in some windows. So go to wall and click on curtain wall, I'm gonna add in a wall, curtain wall like that. Don't worry about the error. It's just saying that we need to cut it again. So now let's go to our 3D, and then here we just need to go to modify, cut geometry. And then we just need to pull it down. And once we create, we could copy the same level on all of them. So after that, let's add in a curtain grid. I'm gonna put it in the middle. For this big, we're gonna divide it by 4. And then after that, go to architecture again, and then mullion. Oops. Cancel this, and then mullion, whole grid, and 50 by 65. So I believe we're ready to copy this. So I'm gonna copy all of this part and I'm gonna deselect this by using Shift and the wall. I'm gonna mirror this in this midpoint. Show. So let's do it again. So it will look like this, and then after that, let's select this part and mirror. Let's double check. So we need to go to modify, cut geometry. Or maybe we just created another wall. So next thing, so let's create the floor. So go to architecture, floor, and use the rectangle. Click finish, don't attach. So we actually need to edit this. I'm just gonna do it for now like that, and then underlay. And then edit again. We need to align it. So this one's covered. After that, let's add in the roof. Let's edit this type, duplicate, roof 1. Let's use this. Don't forget to uncheck the define slope. And base level is level 6. Let's change the thickness. So let's stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.